You remind yourself it doesn't come through hard work, it comes through activation of the mind and my external action when inspired. Just having an important reminder that there's things unfolding, bridge of events, bridge of happenings, whatever you call that thing, that helps you be patient. It helps you realize that everything's going to come into play and things are moving in that right direction. Things are aligning as we send out this stuff. Along with that, number one core aspect is do your manifestation exercise 3 to 4 times every day. Second thing is follow your intuitive, inspired action. If you feel like you should be doing more, do more. You remind yourself it doesn't come through hard work, it comes through activation of the mind and my external action when inspired. You remind yourself and then you go do something that's fun and rewarding. Those two components have helped, and that will drastically show more peace and patience. I know exactly what you mean. I'm the same way in my personality. I want things today, I want them now. That's just part of the personality that I have. It's very go, 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 go. In a good way. It's a very, very reinforcing, positive, supportive thing. Time is an illusion. If there are 18 days left this month or 17 days, and it doesn't seem like we're actually getting what we want because, oh my God, there's 17 days. How am I going to have enough time? That's BS. You could earn 20 grand in a day this month by all the serendipitous things happening. So we always want to remember as well, time is an illusion. Time is not associated with anything. Doing visualizations really well in the morning, affirmations, money audio, etc. For 45 minutes, plus all the worksheets out loud, music has been really helping. You mentioned epic music I've been listening to. But then family gets up, mood changes, and feeling isn't there. Am I blocking my manifestations by not feeling it all day? I feel like I'm doing all this work, but then allow myself to get caught up in tough, frustrated feelings throughout the day. Absolutely, you probably are blocking something. The scales are most likely tipped towards more frustration and irritation. It corresponds to seeds that we grow on the ground. If it's like a corn stalk and we put the seed into the soil, then we dig it back up, or we take a little shovel and we kind of dig around it and mess up the soil and the seed. That's probably going to prolong its growth. And then we do that every single day. And then one day we get really frustrated and we jab the shovel into the ground and throw the seed. We can't expect the corn stalk to actually ever grow. It's got to be properly maintained in the right location, right? So there's nutrients and things that we got to water this beautiful plant to allow it to sprout. Same thing goes with the seed in the mind. Is basically we have to water it, we have to nurture it, we have to protect our doubts and worries away from what we want. Don't get more scared realizing you're being doubtful, worried, or in a different mood. I would rather try to get in a serenity feeling throughout the day. Take little checks throughout the day and get into serenity. Every time you go to the bathroom, every time you eat, resetting yourself, that will help. And the other thing is, Emma, so that's number one. Number two, I want to do as much work in the morning. Sounds like you have the time to do it, but if you can squeak in 5 minutes at 10 a.m., I do that. I'd visualize and do your manifestation exercise. More consistently spreading it throughout the day will get better results than doing 45 minutes in the morning. My belief is the better the diversity, the better everyone will be, which is often key to a very expensive growth. So when you have, say, 3 to 5 clients coming in and you're good to go, maybe do one group call a week with the individual coaching as well. I would combine both. And go with your intuition on whether it's going to be a Q&A or you're going to talk about a topic. But you have to first believe that it's okay that everyone's going to be different. Visualize the unseen, activate with strong emotion, and let it go. That will do you more justice than any study in the world, actually being there and fusing with that in imagination. So.